Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. How's it going? I'm here at a store for the first time ever. It says Maxplus Home Furnishing Store. I'm reading it backwards in the phone here. The Grace and Today OK. And this is a furniture store that we were recommended to by our friend. So shout out to our friend. I don't want to say names and stuff, but you know who you are. And we're gonna check it out for the first time together. So let's see what the store is about. I actually don't think I've ever seen a store like this in Okinawa. Looks really fancy. Looks like they have a lot of home furnishings, some fancy stuff. It looks like a fancy furniture store from America. They have mattresses and stuff here. Oh, we could have came here for curtains. The curtains? Yeah. Is it bigger? What about the soundproof ones? Because there was like 3 at Nitori and we got all 3.
I'm thinking we should have probably come here for everything.
Yeah.
I like these a lot.
Yeah, these curtains are way cooler than the ones we got. I know they're for kids. Oh, this is Winnie the Pooh, I think. Yeah, very subtly Winnie the Pooh and Charlie Brown.
Hey Matt, come look at this.
What's that? In the curtain?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. And then you have like a window behind it.
Yeah,
It's a chandelier. Oh, that's pretty good. Are they glass? Oh yeah, it is. It's actually really heavy, thick. Well, we only have the Daiso ones. We can come here and get these.
Yeah, when we have money, we'll have to come back.
I have money. It's kind of a lot though.
Yeah, but
for the small size.
It's cute.
Oh, it actually is bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's not bad size.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. You want to go to the next store then? Downstairs? There's more stairs? That'll fit.
No, we're not allowed to.
Oh, we're not allowed to? Ah.
This is like IKEA.
Yeah, soup. It's called soup. It's a bunch of little tables. They're actually kind of a lot.
Oh.
Well, you said the outlet is the... Oh yeah, this is the one I want. Right here. Wow, that's big. Yeah, I want that. Yeah, this table has a terrarium. Yes, that's the word. Wow. Actually, I want that world map. That would be really cool. This is the discount section, and it's really big. I actually kind of like it. You don't like it?
No.
I think it's so different. They actually have some really good prices here. It's a little flimsy, but wow, that's crazy. Look at, that's super cheap. That whole thing, 60 bucks. It's pretty crazy, actually. I might actually walk out with something here. Yeah, it looks like they have some really cheap prices for a lot of this stuff. That's only, no way. I might be reading this wrong, but this is 1,000. It's only $10. I mean, it's kind of chipped up, but still, that's crazy. Okay, I'm looking around. This place is stupid cheap. This is definitely where you want to buy furniture. This whole thing, I mean, this is old, kind of chipped up and stuff, but this one is 40 bucks. And they have a bunch of stuff here that's just so cheap. Desks and tables, any furniture you want. This is crazy. Yeah, guys, I am thoroughly impressed with this place. It is so cheap. Like Kit said, a lot of the stuff looks really old though. Old and beat up and used, but still, if you need furniture for a place, if you're just moving into it, like we are, this is great. Okay, so that was an amazing store. Now we're going across the way to Today OK. Good thing we're here today.
Oh yeah.
Because it's okay. What is this?
It's
Oh, where you're from?
Well, this is a good way to get statistics.
Ah.
Because this is like, how did you hear about us? TV, homepage, friends.
Mm.
This is a great way to get. Okay, where did we come from?
Okay, here we go. Desks. Ooh, desk chairs. Okay, I'm ready for this. Okay, there's a nice yellow chair that I want. Ah. There's this one too. Yep.
We found our chair.
Yeah, we've been looking for
couch.
chairs.
Get rid of the couch.
Okay, we're just finishing up, but what is your opinion?
This place is so cool. I just texted Kate and I was like, I almost feel stupid shopping at Nitori.
Yeah.
Because like prices, you could find stuff similar here and then discounted. And it's like so much more stuff.
Yeah, this has a huge selection. They'll buy your used furniture and then they sell it for like pretty much nothing, and it goes down in price the longer it stays in stock.
I think there's like the coolness factor is, one, it's kind of like the bottom floor is kind of like an IKEA selection. The two is more fancy furniture, right? The second floor. The bottom is the bargain section, and so is the one across. So it's like all furniture ranges in one store. So like we got the cheap ones for the people who can't afford stuff to the millionaires. So literally our range in between.
So literally our range, broke to millionaire. Anyway guys, highly recommend this store. It's really awesome. Best furniture store I think I've seen in Okinawa for sure. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.